Hell, I didn't realize that last video my lens was so damn dirty, can't hardly see it. I mean, can't enjoy the whole picture, the whole thing. That old foggy lens. It's a pretty good old rig. Not too bad. That seat still don't look no much better, even with clear lens. But it's going to be a pretty good old pickup. I'm going to keep it up. I'm going to kind of go through the whole deal, make it all pretty slick. That's my plan right now. Needs to build a little bit of this and that. Nothing too bad. Nothing too bad. Not a whole lot of major rust. Most of these damn things are rusted plumb out. This ain't bad. Hell, even that old motor, I can shoot a little gas in it. I got it hot wired. And say this first time some bitch has been running since hell in about 30 years. So that's pretty good. Like I say, I think it's a late model. Somebody put HEI on it, but sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. We make something out of it. So we'll see.